Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean and maintain the mop pad on DREAME D20 Plus. Okay, so let's remove the mop pad. You can do it by either flipping the robot over, or just as it stands right now, there are these two buttons here on the back. You squeeze them and remove the mop pad. Now there it is, and in order to clean it, you should remove it by detaching the Velcros and then sliding it off of this mount. Now, you can put it in a washing machine. You can also wash it manually. You can do it with detergent. Make sure it's not too strong, and then let it dry. Make sure it's fully dry before you put it into your mount, because it can actually cause mold if left wet all the time. And that's what you should actually do after each cleaning session. You should remove it, clean it, and let it dry. Now let's put it back on, and I'll show you one more thing that you should do after each cleaning session, after each mopping session. Make sure it's attached, you stretch it while attaching so it lays flat. Now I won't put it in for a moment. One more thing is the water tank. You should remove it, and you can see I have some water in it. You can see I have some water in it, and you should remove the water. You should open the lid, remove the water, and when there's time for another mopping, put new fresh water inside. It's not that the water gets dirty, it's just that if water stays in a place and stays still for a moment, it just may not smell as good, and that's what you should pay attention to. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.